A film camera with 60 years old, still new and unused in its original box. Honestly, I thought this would not be possible. But yes, I got lucky and I found one. But I had to use my time machine to do it. Hello and welcome to this video. Today, the deal of the year, at least to me. I found this 8mm film camera, new, unused and still in its original box on eBay, and I got lucky and won. Well, first thing, this cable, I'm going to need it later, but I just found that after shooting the video. The eye cap is stiff as you would expect after 60 years, and it is not that usable, but all other accessories are in mint condition. The only thing I am missing here is the manual, the instructions manual. It did not come with the camera, it got lost alongside with time. The box is in great condition and with its original foam. The camera is completely mint. There is not a single scratch in this camera. Amazing. Can you imagine? 60 years. It was built when John Kennedy was still alive. And there's not a single scratch in it. It's a mechanical device, so it is working just fine. There are no batteries or any other things that may need change. This is the take-up spool. It's a film camera, so you must insert film, and it is a double 8 film system. So if you are not aware of it, it uses 16mm film that you shoot on one side, and then you have to reverse it and expose the other side. Then you have to send it to a lab to develop if you don't do it yourself, and you will get the film later, or currently you can get also a digital version of the film. All the lenses are in perfect condition, and also the turret system. There's no rust. This is a completely metal enclosure. There's no scratches, rust or any problem. The lenses have no fungus or any other marks. It's perfect. I am planning to use this camera to shoot some film and also to use it as decoration, as it is a true art piece. It is a spring-wound system, so no batteries. It still works as new. The motor is working great on all speeds. This camera was built in the early 30s and it was evolving until the 60s. Then they stopped using it, as Super 8 was the system to use. All levers and mechanisms are working perfectly. It's absolutely amazing. I am completely stunned with this deal. I am missing here that cable that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. As you can see, there's not a single scratch. A stunning machine. Even the leather is in stunning condition. It's 60 years old and it looks like brand new, as it just came out of the factory yesterday. It's absolutely stunning. What do you think about this camera? Let me know in the comments. There's only here a few marks. I will try to clean it, but if it is only that, I will have no problems with it. I found that Photo Impacts in Germany is selling the film right now, and the Andek lab also in Germany is developing. So I am planning to shoot a film very soon. Even if it is only a test film. This camera deserves it. I have other film cameras, most of them I use for decoration. They are in great condition but not new as this one. It's absolutely stunning. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment if you have something to say or ask, and subscribe for more videos like this. I see you in the next video. Take care.